Morning students, once again welcome back in maths class. Today again we continue our chapter 9, that is measurement. Okay, so we are doing exercise 9.2 till question 4 we have done. Today we will do question number 5. Okay, so let me start question number 5. Question 5 is there, convert the following into kilograms. Now you have to convert into kilograms. We are converting in the higher unit. हम किस में convert कर रहे थे? Higher unit में. Lower to higher. So whenever we convert into higher unit, we always do divide. Okay. So now a part is there 2 kg 500 gram. As we know, 2 is already kg. Okay. So this is no need to convert. This is already converted. पहले से ये जो है ये तो already converted है आपके पास किलोग्राम में already. And 500 is in gram, so that we have to convert, which is not in kilogram, that we have to convert, and which is already converted, that will remain same. Okay, so now first of all we should write the relationship of gram and kg. So as we know, 1000 gram equals to 1 kg. Clear? We know this relationship because kg, hectogram, decagram, and then we have gram. So 3 times higher. 1, 2, 3. So 3 times up means we have the relationship of 1000. Okay? If we have 2 times up, so relationship of 100. If 1 time up, then 10, and 3 times up means 1000. Okay? So now we will do it. Here is 1000 gram equals to 1 kg. Now we take our question. 2 kg 500 gram. Okay. 2 kg 500 gram. So 2 is already kg, so that will come in whole. Now 500 gram will go in the kg upside, so we will do divide. 500 upon 1000 divided by 1000. Now it's become kg. Okay. Now 2 is already whole, so it will come before decimal. Now we write 500 upon 1000, that is in the decimal form. So in 1000 we have 3 times 0, that means we will take 3 decimal place. And there is already 3. 1, 2, 3. So before this we can put it decimal. So 500 kg. 2.500 kg. That's your answer. So the same way you can do it C and D part also. In that one also we have the same thing. जो C और D part है उसमें there is 2 digits. Okay. What is the change in C and D part? There is 2 digits. So before that we can use the 0. For the 3 digit we can use 0. Clear? And then we can convert. So C and D part you will do yourself. Now it's a B part. In B part what we have? 750 gram. So as we know 1000 gram equals to 1 kg. Now there is only gram. There is not kg. Okay, यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपके पास क्या है? Gram. There is not kg. So directly we will do here divide. There is not gram, so there will not come. Sorry, there is not kg, so there will not come in the whole. जैसे यहाँ पे kg भी था, but there is only gram. Okay. In A part we have kg also. So what we did? We have taken this kg in the whole. जो आपको kg दे रखा था वो हमने whole में लिया. Okay. But in B part we don't have kg. Only gram is there. So we will do divide. 1000 gram equals to 1 kg. 750 gram equals to 750 divided by 1000. So when we do divided by 1000, so we take 3 decimal place. Okay. There is 1000. So when we take 3 decimal place, so 1, 2, 3. Before 7 we have decimal. 750 kg. That's your answer. And before this there is no digit, so we can make here 0. So 0.750 kg. Okay, that's your answer. That is your answer. So like this we have to do our question number 5. C and D part we will do yourself. Now question number 6. Now question number 6. Convert the following into liters. This is also like the question number 5. 5 में हमने क्या किया था, किलोग्राम में कन्वर्ट किया था from the gram. So that relationship is also of thousand. And here also you convert into liters. And there is given milliliter. So the liter and milliliter relationship is also of thousand. As we know, 1000 milliliter make 1 liter. Okay, so the same process is there also in the question 6. I take here A and C part because A and B are same and C and D are same. So I take here A and C part. Now A part here is 250 ml. Okay. So we convert this ml into liter. So as we know, 1000 ml equals to 1 liter. Okay. Now there is given 250 ml. So whenever we convert smaller into higher, we always do divide. So 250 divided by 1000. So when we do divide by 1000, so that means we will take 3 decimal place. So there is already 3 digit 1, 2, 3. So there is no need to make more. So directly we can take 0.250 liter. Okay. Whenever we take decimal, so unit convert, it will go in the higher unit. So our answer becomes 0.250 liter. That's your answer. Clear? The same way you will do the B part also. Now it's a C part. 6 liter 500 milliliter. So the same way we write the same relationship, 1000 ml equals to 1 liter. Okay. Now here is 6 liter 500 milliliter. Now 6 is already liter, so it will come in the whole. Now milliliter we convert into liter, so we will do divided by 1000. So 500 upon 1000. So when we have 1000, so we will take 3 decimal place. Here what will we take? Liter. When we do divide by 1000, so we will change the unit. So there will be liter. So it's become 6. 6 will be whole. Then point. Now divided by 1000, so we take 3 decimal place. 1, 2, 3 is already here. So no need to make here in between zeros. When we make zeros, when we have less decimal place here. अगर हमारे पास कम है यहाँ पे, so for that making the 3 or 4 जितने हमें decimal place चाहिए उतने बनाने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Before that we use 0. Now here is already 1, 2, 3 places, so we can take here point and now 5, 0, 0 as it is we can take. So that's your answer, 6.500 liter. That's your answer. Now it's a D part you will do yourself because D is also like the C. Clear? Now next question number 7. Question number 7. Convert the following into kiloliters. So this is also like the question number 6. ये भी आपका जो है वो question number 5 और 6 के जैसे ही है. You have to convert into kiloliters. And there is given liter and you convert into kiloliter. So the relationship 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter. Like the question number 5. उसमें kilogram and grams था. There is kiloliter and liter. So A part is there 7 kiloliter 1000 liter. So first of all, as we know, 1000 liter make 1 kiloliter. Now here is 7 kiloliter 100 liter. Now 7 is already in kiloliter, so that we will take in the whole. जो already है वो तो whole में आ जाएगा. Now which is not in kiloliter, 100 liter. So that we convert into kiloliter. So 100, and for converting into kiloliter we will do divided by 1000, and now it's become kiloliter. Okay. So 7 is in whole. Now 100 divided by 1000. So in 1000 we have 3 times 0. So we will take 3 decimal place. So here is already 1, 2, 3. So we will put here point and 1, 0, 0. It's kiloliter. Okay. If suppose there is 10. अगर यहाँ पे 10 होता तो हम कैसे बनाते हैं, 3 डेसिमल प्लेस कैसे लेते हैं, बिफोर दिस वी यूज 0. ओके, बट देयर इज 100, so write here 100 upon 1000. Okay, so this is your answer. Now it's a C part. It's B part you will do yourself. B and C are same and A and D are same. So A I have done here, D you will do yourself. C I take here, B is also same. B में आपके पास बिल्कुल सिंपल 3 डिजिट का नंबर दे रखा है, डायरेक्टली आपको सिर्फ डेसिमल यूज करना है. Here is given 25 liter in C part. So as we know 1000 liter equals to 1 kiloliter. Now here is given 25 liter. 25 liter. So for converting this liter into kiloliter, we will do divided by 1000. So 25 upon 1000. Now we change it into decimal form. So there is in 1000 3 times 0. So 3 decimal place will take, but there is only 2 digit number. So before that we can use 0. So now it's become 0.025 kiloliter. That's your answer. When digits are less, so before that we can use 0. So that's kiloliter. So like this you will complete your exercise 9.2. Now after that we will do 9.3. Now in exercise 9.3 what we have, in that we have converting bigger units into smaller units. So before doing this exercise we will learn how we will convert bigger units into smaller unit. हम कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे, अभी तो हमने क्या किया, स्मॉलर टू बिग, स्मॉलर टू बिग, फॉर स्मॉलर टू बिग वी डू डिवाइड. नाउ वी कन्वर्ट बिगर टू स्मॉलर, सो फॉर दैट वी विल डू मल्टीप्लाई. एज वी नो देयर आर 7 यूनिट्स, किलो, हेक्टो, डेका, then after deca we have standard unit, that is meter, gram, liter. Whatever standard is, we are talking about length, meter, we are talking about weight, gram, we are talking about capacity, then there will be liter. Then we have deci, centi, and in last what we have, mil. Okay, last we have mil. So these are the 7 units: kilo, hecto, decam, standard unit, deci, centi, milli. So as we know the relationship of 10, 10, 10. But if there is gap increase, if you are coming from kilo to deca, so it will be 100. Kilo to meter, then 1000. Kilo to deci, 10,000. Kilo to centi, 1 lakhs, and kilo to milli, 10 lakhs. Okay, so the relationship increase. So when we come from small to big, हमने इससे पहले क्या किया, small to big. So for that what we do, divide. Okay, हमने क्या किया था, divide, और decimal form में हमने इसको change किया. But now what we will do, we will convert from big to small. Kilo to deca, kilo to deci, deca to deci, deca to centi, means big to small. So when we convert from big to small, what we do, we will do multiply. Okay, we will do multiply when we convert from big to small. जब हम big को small में convert करेंगे, ऐसे वापस आएंगे, so जब हम ऊपर से नीचे आएंगे, so we will do multiply. Clear? Okay, so now suppose we have example 5 kg 6 gram into gram. Now as we know gram is a smaller unit. Okay, 5 kg 6 gram we convert into gram. So as we know 1 kg equals to, अब देखो kg से अब किलो से हमें ग्राम में आना है, so 1 2 3. So that means the relationship of 1000. Okay, now 5 kg and 6 gram. 6 is already in gram. So in division what we do, we have done whatever already converted that we write as it is, and which is not converted that we divide. अब यहाँ पे भी हमें वही करना है कि जो ऑलरेडी कन्वर्टेड है ग्राम में है वो हमें प्लस करना है, और जो कन्वर्टेड नहीं है उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, सो नाउ 5 kg 6 gram. So what will we do? 5 multiply by 1000 because it is in kg. So when we multiply by 1000, so it's become gram. And 6 is already gram, so plus 6 gram. Now 5 multiply by 1000, 5000 gram plus 6 gram. So it's become 5006 gram. That's your answer. Okay. So like this we have to convert. अब इसमें सिंपली है, कुछ नहीं, आपको जो कन्वर्टेड नहीं है उसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई करना है, and which is already converted that we have to add. Okay. So now we will start our exercise 9.3. Now exercise 9.3. Question 1. Convert the following as directed below. जैसे डायरेक्शन आपको दे रखी है, like that you have to convert. जो भी आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, according to that you have to convert. Now A part. 51 centimeter into millimeter. अब आपको 51 सेंटीमीटर को मिलीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. So whenever different units are given, so first of all you write the sequence of the units in your rough notebook. या तो आपको लर्न होनी चाहिए, लर्न नहीं है तो आप उनकी सीक्वेंस जो है वो रफ नोटबुक में राइट कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव किलो, देन हेक्टो, देन डेका, देन स्टैंडर्ड जो भी है, मीटर है, लीटर है, ग्राम है, व्हाटएवर इज देयर, देन डेसी, सेंटी, and in last we have milli. So here we convert centimeter to millimeter, big to small. So as I told you that when we convert from big to small, we will do multiply. Okay. Now the next centimeter से next ही होता है millimeter. So that means the relationship of 10. क्योंकि जब next ही है तो 10, second number पे 100. ओके, वन अगर 2 नंबर है यहाँ पे, नेक्स्ट ही है यहाँ पे, तो नेक्स्ट 1 टाइम 0 मीन्स 10. सो 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल्स टू 10 मिलीमीटर. एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट जो बिग वाली होती है उसके साथ हम 1 लगाते हैं, और स्मॉल के साथ 10, 100, 1000 व्हाटएवर इज देयर दैट वी यूज विद द स्मॉलर यूनिट. सो मिलीमीटर इज स्मॉल, सो विद मिलीमीटर वी यूज 10. And big is centimeter, so with centimeter we use 1. Big के साथ हमें 1 लगाना है, और small के साथ 10, 100, 1000 whatever relationship that come with the smaller unit. Okay. Now there is 51 centimeter. So 51 centimeter. 1 centimeter में 10 millimeter होते हैं. 51 में 51 multiply by 10, and multiplication by 10 is very easy. Number same, after that 1 time 0. So 51 same. And after that 1 time 0, so it's become 510 millimeter. That's your answer. Clear? Now it's a B part. In B part what we have? 3 kilometer into centimeter. अब kilometer से centimeter. Now check how much down here. There is kilometer. ये तो हमारे पास है. अब hecto 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times down सेंटीमीटर. तो अब हमारे पास हो गया 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 1 lakhs. So 1 kilometer, higher unit is kilometer. So with the kilometer we have 1 kilometer equals to 1 lakhs. 1 lakh. This is 1 lakh centimeter. Okay. हमें यहाँ से काउंट करना है. 1 down 10, then 100, 2 down आ गए तो 100, 3 down 1000, 4 down 10,000, then lakhs. So 1 lakh. Clear? Now there is 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer. So 3 multiply by 1 lakh. Because we are coming from big to small. Big से हम small में आ रहे हैं, so we'll do multiply. That means 3 lakhs centimeter. meter. That's our answer. Okay. So for that we require the relationship. हमें relationship जरूर learn होनी चाहिए. Okay. The next is C part. 35 kg into gram. Kg to gram. K to G. So 1, 2, 3 down. 3 down means 1000. So 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. Now 35 kg, 35 multiplied by 1000. So it's become 35,000 gram. That's your answer. It's very simple. Now it's a D part. This is also very simple. 64 kiloliter. 64 kiloliter into liter. So kiloliter to liter. The same relationship 1000 kilo to liter. So 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter. Now 64 kiloliter. 64 multiplied by 1000. So it's become 64,000 liter. There also you can use liter. Here also you can use gram. If you are using, you can use. If you are living, so you can live. So 64,000 liter. That's your answer. But in last answer में आपको जरूर यूनिट यूज करनी है. 1000 के साथ आप नहीं यूज करें तो that's okay. कर रहे हो तो भी ठीक है, नहीं कर रहे हो तो भी ठीक है. But in last in the answer you will use the unit. Otherwise your marks will be deducted. So like this you will complete the question number 1. Now we will do question number 2. 2. Convert the following into centimeters. So here is A part. Like the A part we have B part also and D part also. A, B and D are same and C is different. So I take C part also. A, B and D same. So we will do here A part. Here is given convert into centimeters and there is given 15 meter 25 centimeter. 25 is already in centimeter in which we have to convert. In that 25 is already. Now we convert 15 meter into centimeter. So as we know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Okay. Now we take our question 15 meter 25 centimeter. So as I told you that whenever we convert big unit into small, we always do multiply. So meter to centimeter we will do multiply. So 15 multiply by 100. Now it's become centimeter. And 25 is already centimeter. So plus 25 centimeter. Now we will multiply 15 into 100. So it's become 1500 centimeter. Okay. And plus 25 centimeter. So 1500 plus 25. It will add in the ones and tens column. So in ones and tens column there is 0. 0 plus 25 that's 25. So 1525 centimeter. That's your answer. So like this you will do the B part also and D part also. Now here is C part. There is given 12 meter. Only meter is given and you convert it to centimeter. तो जैसे आपने फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट किया है सेम ऐसे आपको करना है, बस प्लस नहीं करना बिकॉज देयर इज नॉट सेंटीमीटर. सो 1 मीटर इक्वल्स टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ देयर इज 12 मीटर. So 12 into 100. Now it's become centimeter. So it's become 1200 centimeter. That's your answer. So like this, it's very simple. So like this you can convert. So like this you will complete question 2. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Convert the following into millimeters. You have to convert into millimeters. Clear? And here is given centimeter. A part is there 5 centimeter 9 millimeter. So first of all as we know 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So we write here 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Centimeter is big and millimeter is small. So big to small we will do multiply. Now take our question 5 centimeter 9 millimeter equals to now 5 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So 5 centimeter 5 multiplied by 10. Now it's become millimeter. Okay. And 9 is already millimeter. So plus 9 millimeter. Okay. Now we multiply. 5 tens are 50 millimeter and 9 is already millimeter. So 50 plus 9, that's equals to 59 millimeter. You will use the unit. Okay, whenever we convert, we will use the unit. So that's your answer. So like this you will do. Now it's a B part. In B part, what we have? 6 centimeter. So as we know, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Now here in 6 centimeter, so 6 centimeter equals to 6 multiplied by 10. And now it's a millimeter. So 6 tens are 60 millimeter. That's your answer. Okay. So like this you will do. Same as A part, there is C and D part. जैसा A part है वैसे ही आपका C और D part है. So you will do these one also. A और B की जैसे ही C and D. So you will complete your question 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Convert the following into hectograms. Here you convert into hectograms. Okay. A part is there 80 kg. Kg to hectogram. So just down we have, after kg we have hectogram. So in 1 kg we have 10 hectograms. We write here 1 kg. Big unit is kg. So with 1 kg we will use here 1 equals to 10 hectogram. Hecto is small. So with hecto we will write it 10. Now there is 80 kg. Okay. So in 1 kg we have 10 hectograms. So in 80 kg, 80 multiplied by 10. Now it's become hectogram. So 80 into 10. So it's 800 hectogram. Because whenever we multiply by 10, so number same, after that 1 time 0. That's your answer. Okay. Now it's a B part. 82 kg, 21 hectogram. So as we know, 1 kg equals to 10 hectogram. Now 82 kg, 21 hectogram. So 82 kg, 1 kg equals to 10. 82 kg, 82 multiplied by 10. Now it's become hectogram. Plus 21, already hectogram, plus 21, which is already converted unit. That we have to add. अब यहाँ पे 21 already converted है, so that we will add. Okay. Now 82 into 10, so it's become 820 hectogram, and 21 is already hectogram. Now we add. Okay. From one side we will add. In one's column there is 1, there is 0. So there is 1. 1 plus 0 1. 2 plus 2 4. And in 100 column there is nothing. There is 8. So there is 8. 841 hectogram. That's your answer. So after converting you will add which is already converted, that you have to add. Okay. So now this is A and B part. In C and D also same like the, in C part you have same like A, and in D same like B. So that you will do yourself. Now after that question number 5. Question 5. Convert the following into milligrams. Here you convert into milligrams. Okay. Gram is given here. You convert into milligram. So as we know, 1 gram equals to 1000 milligram. So A part, 1 gram equals to 1000 milligram. Now here is 5 gram. So 5 gram equals to 5 multiplied by 1000. Now it's become milligram. So 5 into 1000, that's become 5000 milligram. That's your answer. Same way you will do the B part. Also in B part you have 12 grams. So 12 into 1000, 12,000 milligram will be your answer. Now it's a C part. C and D also same. So I do here C part. 9 gram 150 milligram. Same, 1 gram equals to 1000 milligram. Now here is 9 gram 150 milligram. So that's equals to 9 multiplied by 1000. Now it's become milligram. And 150 is already milligram. So plus 150 milligram. Now 9 into 1000, that's 9000 milligram plus 150 milligram. 9000 plus 150, so that's become 9150 milligram. We add in ones, tens and 100 column. There is 0 in all three column, so 150 same. So 9150 milligram. That's your answer. Okay. So you will complete question 5. Now question number 6. Question 6. Convert the following into liters. Here you have to convert into liters. Kiloliters are given here. You convert into liters. So A part 10 kiloliter. So as we know 1 kiloliter, kiloliter is big, that's equals to 1000 liter. Now 10 kiloliter equals to 10 multiplied by 1000. It's become liter. 10 multiplied by 1000 equals to 10,000 liter. That is your answer. So like this we will do simply. Now it's a B and B part is same like A and C part is same like D. So that you will do yourself. Now D part 20 kiloliter 20 liter. So 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter. Now 20 kiloliter 20 liter. So first of all 20 kiloliter. So 20 kiloliter we convert into liter. So 20 multiplied by 1000. Now it's become liter. Plus 20 is already liter. So 20 liter. So now 20 multiplied by 1000, 20,000 liter plus 20 liter. 20 is 2-digit number, so it will add in ones and tens column. There is liter, so we will add these. Okay. Now it will add in ones and tens column. So ones and tens column is 0. So 20 plus 0, that will be 20. So it's become 20,020 liter. That is your answer. Okay. So your question 6 complete. Now we will do question number 7. Question 7. Convert the following into milliliters. You will convert into milliliter. Okay. Here is given liter and you convert into milliliter. So A part 2 liter. So as we know 1 liter, liter is big and equals to 1000 milliliter. Now there is 2 liter. So 2 liter equals to 2 multiplied by 1000 milliliter. So 2000 milliliter. That's your answer. Okay. Same way you will do its B part also. Okay. B part भी same एक ही जैसा है. Now and C is same like D. So I take here D part. C is also same like D. Here is also say, there is given 6 liter 25 milliliter. So 25 is already milliliter. Only 6 is liter. So we convert 6 into milliliter. So 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Now 6 liter 25 milliliter equals to 6 multiplied by 1000. Now it's become milliliter. And 25 is already milliliter. Okay. 6 multiplied by 1000, that's 6000 milliliter plus 25 milliliter. Then 6000 plus 25, that's 6025. 25 will add in ones and tens column. And here is 0 in ones and tens column. So it's become 6025 milliliter. That's your answer. So like this we have completed question number 7. Like this your exercise also complete 9.3. So complete your work. Thank you.